As an early childhood educator for more than 20 years and now the mom to 2 small little girls, I can highly recommend Kayla's course to you. It's developmentally appropriate. She gives you wonderful skills that help bond with your child and help them to learn all the things that they need to learn for speech.
I finished the videos first. It was a race.
Yeah, it was a race to finish the videos. We really found Kayla to be a great teacher, really relatable. All of the lessons are practical. They have helpful tips and resources at the end, printouts. Really, it's really engaging.
And not only did I learn fun and effective strategies for helping my new toddler clients communicate, but I took away excellent tips for parent education and training as well.
My daughter was 16 months old and she only had 3 words in her vocabulary. I went online to look for tips and things, and I came across your YouTube videos and I loved them. They worked. So I purchased the course. It's been 3 months and she's up to 8 words. She engages. She has really good eye contact, and you just provide such an amazing breakdown of how to play games with them, the songs to use, and like the activities that you recommend and everything. It's just such an amazing tool.
I really love the course, so I strongly recommend it to the parents who are speech pathologists who are in search of ideas to help your kid from crying to signing to talking.
I highly recommend that you download the course and that you do it. And like me, you will help your child, and you'll be so happy that you did.